Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what you can do with your instant noodles. So, this will be review number 3097, I believe. If you go to www.theramenraider.com, just type in 3097 in the search, and you won't see it when this video comes out, but if it's at least 3 or 4 months after, you will. So, yep. So today, we've got one from... You can read that, can't you? Actually, it's from Yum Yum, and it's Temtem Squid with lime. So lime and squid. That sounds really good. I don't know if you like squid as much as I do. I don't think anybody likes squid as much as I do. I really like squid. So, what I do is I put down a little thingy like this, a tray, and then I take noodles, because I am really good at spilling everything, and the pot that I usually use that has the lip on it is not clean. So I'm gonna put you right there. Oh, you need a little touch more. There you go. I think I even made a mess with that all set up like that. Lid, and 3 minutes going on the timer. So there we go. So, what is going on today in the world of instant noodles? Well, not a whole lot. I'm stoked because the Taiwanese really like to send me noodles, and I got some really neat ones that I'm going to be doing up soon. And they're sending some really neat bowls for me to use to review them, so that's pretty cool. As for Thailand, I haven't gotten any new varieties in a while. This is one of the last ones that I got from a Thai company. I'm hoping maybe I'll get some new... No, the last new ones I got were from Mama, actually. There's that, it's like a stir noodle, a spicy squid, no, a spicy shrimp tom yum that was super good. And pretty spicy, too. Wow, this one smells like squid. I'm getting the squid, whoop, the squid hit. Can you smell that? Yeah? No? Okay. I had to ask. It's a polite thing to do. So, I think it'd be kind of cool to arrange a meetup, like a big Ramen Raider annual meetup somewhere, and I think Seattle would be the good spot for it. If anybody's got any experience setting up things like that, let me know. We could all meet up like at a big Asian grocery. That'd probably weird people out. Could meet up at a park. Something. I think that'd be fun. I'd like to meet all the crazy noodle people out there. I know there's a lot of you too, so, and a lot from this local area, because I'm near Seattle. So the other option is to do one up in Vancouver, BC, which I think would be a little more difficult, because I don't know how many people up there would want to do that. And then when you go over the border, they always, are you going to be meeting anybody up here? They'd be like, yeah, hold on a minute. So, but if you were in BC and you wanted to do it and come on down to Seattle, that's not too far. I mean, we up to Canada like twice a month usually. It's fun. It's really nice to get like a total different head change, you know, go to a different country. It's really nice being able to live like within 2 hours of going in a different country. And I always have. I can't imagine what it's like to live in the middle of the United States, and well, then you can go to different states, but every strip mall here is the same, you know. There's just not a lot of difference. Gotta visit outside the box. So let's have a look. See if you can see that. There you go. Noodly doodly. Fogging up the lens a bit, yo. Wow, I got water everywhere. What a shock, huh? Ooh. Okay, let's give this a taste. I'm very curious. There were a lot of squid bits that I saw when I was pouring this out into the cups. Very, very thin noodle. Thin. Mmm. Definitely getting the lime hit. Definitely a squid hit in there too. There's a little... Are you squid? I'm curious about that. That might be lemongrass, I don't know. Oh, that's squid alright. There were some bigger pieces though. Let's see if I can find one. Maybe those bigger pieces were just like sliced chunks of squid that when hydrated would come apart. Yeah, because I'm not seeing any. I'm just seeing a lot of these little pieces. Cool. Well, I like that. It's hot, if you're wondering. Spicy a little bit. Let me wipe this down. There we go. Now we need a bowl. In a bowl we have, and noodles we have. And you know what? I got the broth in there, but I'm gonna try something a little different today. Right now, I'd usually just drop the noodle or the mung bean sprouts in, but I'm gonna drop them in with the noodles in the cup that are left. Stir it up. Man, that's hot. Crap. A lot easier to deal with that little cardboard insulator, let me tell you. But I gotta scan it. It's like if I had all this stuff to scan right now, that would be eating into my time for tomorrow. There we go. Alright. Get you over there. Looking good. I also have some of my own squid. Can't not put in carved squid when you need squid, because I really like carved squid. It's pretty cheap and pretty easy to get if you go to an Asian grocery store. I hope everybody within the distance of listening to this show is able to access an Asian grocery. If you're not, I'm like really, really sorry. That bums me out, and it makes me want to like find a way to get companies to open Asian groceries in places where there's like not one for over 200 miles. Problem is though, the reason they open up in certain places is because there's an Asian population that's gonna frequent them. But I guess there's areas where there aren't Asian people. Anyways. Yeah, there's some places in like Northern California where there's like, you can find Asian groceries in San Francisco, but you go very far out of there, you're gonna have a little bit of trouble. It's kind of a bummer. So yeah, some coriander, some squid, and I think to make it really extra good, We could go with a little bit of crispy garlic. Meow. There we go. Simple, tasty, Thai. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment to your noodles every day. I hope you enjoy your noodles every day and every day and every day. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, and if you could please subscribe. Click the notification bell, you'll find out about every single episode coming out, as well as The Chocolate Break, a critically acclaimed show that me and my wife are doing right now. I'm a critic of instant noodles, and I give it acclaim, so it's critically acclaimed. So, yeah. Here's some other stuff to check out. Lots of cool things going on, video-wise. I'm doing some contests lately, so that's kind of neat. They'll pop up here and there, so keep your eyes peeled for those. And, yeah. Alright, once again, this has been Hans wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one. Bye.